Hello guys, so we are going to continue the discussion with respect to derivatives. In this video, we are going to see about a new rule which is called as product rule in derivatives. And whenever we have this product rule, how the derivative is basically calculated, I just want to show you this as with an example. So first of all, let's consider that I'm going to use one derivative. So derivative of with respect to x. And here I'm going to use two functions. Let's say one function is h of x and the other function is f of x. Okay. So we are going to just do the product of these two functions, right? And with respect to this particular function, if I really want to find out the derivative, since we need to find out with respect to x, so how do we go ahead and find it out? So first of all, we will go ahead and write h derivative of h of x multiplied by f of x plus h of x multiplied by derivative of f of x. So whenever you have a product of two functions, and I need to calculate the derivative, we specifically calculate the derivative in this way. First of all, we'll calculate the derivative of one function and keep the next function as it is. Then we add it by finding the derivative of the other function, multiplying it to the first function as it is. Okay. So just to show you an example, let's say that I'm going to find out a derivative of x square cos x. Okay. Now, in order to find out the derivative of this, again, how do we find it out? So derivative of d of x with respect to x square, then, derivative of x square dot product with cos x, then x square dot derivative of cos x. Okay. So this is how we specifically go ahead and calculate it. Now, you know that derivative of x square is nothing but 2x multiplied by cos x plus x square. We are going to keep it like this, and we know what is the derivative of cos x based on the trigonometric function. Just now we discussed a previous video back. So finally you'll be able to see that I will get something like this: 2x cos x plus x square sin x, right? And this is what you specifically get as the derivative of this kind of product rule. Okay. Now let me give you an assignment so that you can also go ahead and try it out. But I know, like, you may be thinking, Krish, why you're teaching all these things? Because just to make sure that my entire differential calculus syllabus is covered. But I know, like, see, when we are doing the coding with respect to data science, you don't have to worry about all these things, but you should always have an idea like how this entire derivative is specifically calculated, right? So let's take one more example. Let's say that, hey, you have f of x is equal to 4x square, okay? And you have g of x is equal to, let's say, sin x, okay? So now you go ahead and calculate the derivative with respect to x for 4x square sin x, okay? So you do this as an assignment, and we will discuss in the discussion forum. You can go ahead and write out the answer. So I hope you're able to understand about the product rule. Now, in the upcoming videos, we are going to discuss about something called as chain rule, which is really, really important. And we'll also try to understand with respect to its application. And probably chain rule is the most important thing, specifically because in entire deep learning, we will be using chain rule in derivatives a lot. So yes, this was it from my side. I will see you all in the next video. Thank you.